Pag-usapan naman natin ang koronang natisod ni Anita Gomez sa katatapos lang na Miss Grand Philippines. Hindi man expected pero ang natisod niyang corona ay one of the oldest international beauty pageants in the world. Founded in 1965 as Miss Asia and then later renamed as Miss Asia Pacific in 1984. At noong 1985, nung nakasali na mga Latin American and Pacific countries, tinawag na itong Miss Asia Pacific Quest. And then in 2005, it was renamed to its current title, Miss Asia Pacific International. The first ever winner of this pageant was Angela Filmer of Malaysia in 1965. And did you know that she was crowned by the incoming First Lady Imelda Marcos during that year? Originally, hawak ng mutya ng Pilipinas ang franchise nito since 1968. And the first ever Philippine delegate sent to this pageant was Jane Mozo de Hoya. Top crown nga ng mutya ito, and the mutya ng Pilipinas has produced 5 Miss Asia Pacific International title holders, including a back-to-back win in 1982 with Maria del Carmen Zaragoza, and then Gloria de Mayaquiac in 1983. The Philippines also won in 1989 with Lorna Legazpi, and then in 1993 with Michelle Aldana. After 15 years in 2018, the last Filipina delegate who won this pageant was Sharifa Akil. Growing up as a pageant fan, subaybay ko talaga mutya at Asia Pacific. And some of my fave mutya Asia Pacific queens includes Josephine Canonizado in year 2000, Darlene Cabungco in 2001, Miriam Chu in 2002, Jamie Liz Castillo in 2003, and then in 2004, kausuhan ng reality show, naging reality show din sila, and the winner of that edition was Jeda Hernandez, who eventually won a third runner-up spot during her international stint. In 2023, nawala na sa bakuran ng mutya ng Pilipinas ang corona ng Asia Pacific, and the last Asia Pacific International Queen na kinoronahan sa bakuran ng mutya ng Pilipinas ay si Clyza Castro noong 2019. The same year, 2023, napunta na sa bakuran ng The Miss Philippines ang franchise. And then they sent Blessa Figueroa na galing sa The Miss Philippines pageant na nag-compete last year lang at nanalong third runner-up. And this 2025 na sa bakuran na nga ng ELV Pageant Circle ang franchise ng Asia Pacific. And during the announcement of winners, it seems second top crown na nila ito. At hindi man ito ang titulong hinahangad ng mga pageant fans para kay Anita Gomez, kung sakasakaling ang matitisod niya rin ang koronang ito pagdating sa international stage, maaaring maisulot na nga siya sa libro ng kasaysayan ng Philippine pageantry at pwede ngang maitanghal na ika-6 na Pilipinang Miss Asia Pacific International.